Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this training on how to create your own online school using Teachable. Now in this lecture I want to show you like a quick overview of what Teachable is, what an online school on Teachable is, and how basically a landing page should look like, or how a landing page looks like, right? So I will show you one of my online schools that I've started to work on. You can create something similar in terms of how it looks like, and basically put the structure of the actual school, right? So what you can see here on the screen right now in the browser is a sales page for one of my courses. You will see that it actually looks pretty cool, and this is something that it's hosted directly on Teachable, so you don't need absolutely any domain of your own whatsoever, or you don't need any skills on how to work with a cPanel, with WordPress, with coding or web design or any stuff like that, because everything is drag and drop. It's very simple. You have it inside your administration panel of Teachable. What I didn't mention to you earlier is the fact that Teachable has a plan which is for free. They also have some pro versions which are paid, but you can get started for free, which is actually pretty cool, right? So let me just show you this sales page so you can see how cool it looks. Okay, and it's actually a very good converting page. And then I will also have a quick overview for you of the administration panel, but we will see more about that and everything that it contains later throughout the course. Now, as you can see, the online school that I have, it's called Online Marketing Bootcamp. You can see its name here, and I didn't buy a domain name for this. Basically, you can see that it's online marketing bootcamp.teachable.com. So basically, you have like a subdomain on Teachable with your online school. This is how it looks like. So here we have the name of the online school. Because I'm already logged in here, I have some options. A student who is not logged in, or a potential student, will not see the admin button, but will see my courses and all courses. So basically, if I click here, I can see all the courses that are sold by this online school, right? Now let me scroll down. The course that I'm selling here is the Online Courses Builder Program. Okay, you can see that I have title, subtitle, pretty cool, right? This static front page. Here I can see the promotional video. So if I click on this, the promotional video will appear. Anyway, I will close it. I can play it.
Hello guys, my name is...
You got the idea. If I click on the buy button, enroll in course for $47, this is the buy button. It will take me to the order form. This is how it looks like. Okay, it will automatically add VAT, okay, for your students, which is pretty cool because they collect VAT automatically for you. So here we have all the details, the account information. It gives your students option how they want to pay, with credit card or PayPal. And after they fill in all their details, they can enroll in the course. They get the login details, and that's pretty much it, right? Now let me scroll down. So here we start description of the course. You can see that we also have social media sharing buttons. Here we have like a floating header, okay, with all the options that we have. And this is how the sales page looks like. Okay, you can add image, you can add text, you can add whatever you want, buying buttons, bonuses that I've added to this. Okay, buying buttons again. I added testimonials here, so you can add these as well. Buy buttons again, information about the instructor, the class curriculum, so people can actually see the class or training structure before they enroll. Okay, frequently asked question, again the buying button and call to action, powered by Teachable. You can see here the name of the online school and everything. So you can see how beautiful and clean this sales page is. Okay, so this is the type of things that you can do with Teachable. Now let me show you also, if you go to all courses, okay, you can see all the courses from an online school, and here are basically all of my courses. You can see that you can have different instructors for your courses, so it's not something mandatory to have the same instructor. So for this training, it's me, but for this training, it's another friend, right? So basically, you can see if you are already logged into your account and you are already enrolled in these courses as a student. You can see how much of them you completed. Okay, you can see which ones of them you can buy. You can sort them by authors. You can sort them by category. So this is actually pretty cool. You can create an online school in the real sense of the word, right? In the real meaning of the word, with multiple courses, instructors, and stuff like that. So this is pretty cool, right? Now let me show you a little bit the administration panel. So what I will do is click on the administration panel. You can see that it has redirected me. Basically what we can see here, it's a very simple dashboard, so nothing too complicated. Okay, we don't have any data for this month because we didn't have any activity for this month. What we can see here in the right side is a live feed, okay, with details about what users have done here, okay, people who have logged in, who have created accounts, who have enrolled, and so on, right? Here we basically can view the school, what I've showed you earlier, and in the left side menu, okay, we have some options. So here is the dashboard, we can see the users. If we scroll down, a pretty cool thing that we can do is message the users. Okay, we can message them, subject, custom, we can send a message to all the users or to users from a specific course or to specific users. Okay, so basically we can use this for marketing. We can send HTML messages. We just have to write them. Okay, press send email. First we can send a test email, and that's pretty much it, right? We have history here for email sent, template editor, and everything. So let me just go back to users. We can export our user data. Okay, we can import student as well. So this is how it looks like. Then we have some information about the site, like the theme that we wanted, the navigation, authors, pages, and stuff like that. I won't go into a lot of details right now. I will show you this later in the course. Then we have the transactions. So we can see that for this online school we have only 2 transactions. It's not an online school that we've used too much. And here we can send emails. Okay, you have seen this already. And here we can see the actual courses that we have, right? So the first course and the second course, right? And from here we can add a new course, create new course, and so on. Basically, let's say that we want to edit a course, we just click on it. It will redirect us, and here you can see that we have another menu with all the information that we have, or all the options that we have to edit a course, like the information about the course. Let's scroll down, okay, details and all that stuff. The curriculum, the pricing, the drip, maybe you want to give the information as a drip feed, coupon students. We can bundle contents, reports, and then we can create the sales page, the checkout page, the thank you page, and all of that stuff, but we will go through them a little bit later. And we can also preview the course from here. Okay, I won't go into all of these details because anyway I will show them later to you how to create the course here. I just wanted you guys to see exactly an overview of how the administration panel looks like. Now, thank you very much for watching it, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video where we are going to discuss how you can create your free account on Teachable to start your own online school here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video.